Hello. Here is our raised patio that we built a few years ago, and it's created a nice space for us to sit up and look at our beautiful lake. And what we really love about it is also it holds our hot tub. So that's a great addition. We used to have steps going all the way down from our bedroom door, and we had to walk out and just go down steps right away. So it's been nice to be able to just walk right out and have a patio place to sit and drink a coffee or have a glass of wine or just to enjoy the evening. If you want to learn more about how we created this raised patio, check out the rest of our video. So friends of ours had an old retaining wall, and so they gave us their retaining wall. All we had to do was go pick it up. So we did that, and I practiced with the sides of what we would want to have for our outdoor patio. After I practiced, then my husband and I dug down a little further and put another layer underneath the side walls. And then we purchased a whole new set of retaining wall material to work on the front of our retaining wall. Again, we dug down a ways for our base layer to make sure that when there's a frost there wouldn't be a problem. Then we started building the steps to make it to get to our daughter's room. And these steps we inserted and built right into the wall. As you'll see in a little bit, that the wall that we have in front of our steps, we did not build it into. We made sure that the height of the wall was going to not require a railing because we were not going to put railings around this. Once we got the blocks built all the way around, then we added steps in front of our area and capped off all of the retaining wall with the capping stones. As you can see, it wasn't exactly a fit on both sides, but once it aged, it did start to blend in a lot better. We did run a string across to make sure that we had it level for the whole distance of the retaining wall. Then we started building a patio for our outdoor kitchen next to our retaining wall. Once the wall was complete, we filled in with gravel and reclaim and then also some sand, and we used a compactor to pack it all down. I used my tractor to bring in all of the fill, which made it so much easier. Once we had it to the height we wanted and compacted, then we started adding our pavers. We had some pavers left over from another project, so you'll see that there are different colors here, and we just placed them strategically, and I kind of liked having the multicolor look. And here's some footage of the completed project about 7 years after it was completed. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.